Hello dear friends. Today I want to discuss about the topic strings, which comes under the subject IP for class 11th. So let's move towards the topic string. Although I mentioned here the definition of string, but in the simple words I can say string is the combination of words, or we can say the combination of word is the string. Like if I spell Dehradun, which we call Dehradun. Hence, the word Dehradun is a string because it becomes with the combination of these characters, which are Dehradun. Hence, Dehradun is a string. Or if I say, hello everyone, today we will discuss about the string. The whole sentence is also combined with some characters. Hence, the whole sentence is also known as string. In Python, we can mention the string by single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Now we can see the type of strings. Number one is empty string. Empty string means those strings which do not contain anything inside the string, or we can say which do not contain anything within the quotes, or which have zero length. All right. And multi-line strings जहाँ पे हमारी multiple lines हो, and we mention it by the triple quotes. Traversing a string. Traversing, all of us know about what is traversing. Means moving. Means moving. Hence, in respect of traversing a string, you can see in this slide, I mentioned here, hello Ria. And then I mentioned here, you can see here is H, whose index value is 0, then E, whose index value is 1, then L 2, then L 3, O 4, then there is a space. We also counted the space, which we counted as number 5 in traversing a string. Alright, then R refers to 6, I 7, Y 8, and A 9. Now we move towards the string operations. Definitely we are talking about the strings. Now we want to work on strings. हमें strings पे work भी करना है. Then how many operators and how can we use the operators using strings? First of all, there is a concatenating strings. It is very simple. All of us know concatenate means to combine, to add. Hence, here we are talking about the strings. Then concatenating the strings means to combine two strings or more strings. How we can combine? We can use a plus operator. You can see here there is a sign of plus sign, which we call string concatenation operator, which is used to join or concatenate string. You can see examples: hello plus friends, and the output will be hello friends. Or in next example, you can see I write here only good and there is no plus sign, then morning, and when we print it, it becomes the good morning. The second operator is replicating string. Replicating. First of all, we should understand what is replicating. Replicating means to repeat something. It means here we are talking about the replicating strings, to repeat the strings. In the example we mentioned here, and we we can specify the replicating string by the operator, this asterisk sign. You can see the asterisk sign which represents the replication of the string. In the example, you can see three replicating operator hello. The output will be hello will be displayed three times. Hello, hello, hello. Because we mentioned three using the replicating operator. Hence the output will be hello, hello, hello. Three times of hello word. In the same way, membership operator. In simple words, if we talk about the membership, then membership means if the thing is within us or not. In the same manner, Python offers two types of membership operators which checks whether the particular character is in string or not. And these membership operators are in, not in. You can see the examples here. H in hello, and hello word contains character H. Therefore, the output will be true. Are not in hello. Our word is not contained in word hello because the hello word spells as HELLO. Here is it does not contain the character R, and we use the membership operator not in. Hence, the output will be true. In third example, you can see E, not in hello. Hello word, it means hello word does not contain E, which is false because hello word contains E. Alright. Hence, the output will be false. Next, we will go towards comparison operator. All of us have studied about the relational operators. In relational operators, there is greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, equal to, not equal to, and it is basically compared to strings. So here we took two strings, string 1 hello, string 2 Neil. In the example we can see str1 is less than str2. Here we are talking about the number of characters. Okay, number of characters. str1 contains hello. It contains 5 characters, whereas str2 contains only 3 characters. Hence the output will be false. The second one is hello equal to Neil. The output will be false. The third example, you can see hello is greater than equal to Neil. The output will be true. Then string slicing. String slicing is basically just like as we have a brick ice cream. Okay, we have brick ice cream and we used to cut the brick ice in slice. Okay, it means we are partitioning the whole slice. In the same way, if we talk about the string slicing, okay, means we are taking the subset of the values is known as the string slicing. We will discuss it in our in practical also. The next one is strings are immutable. The content of the string cannot be changed after it has been created. It means uh, suppose we have created the strings and again we want some change, then we have to work on it again. Now these are the built-in functions of a string method like len, len, which returns the length of the string. Then capitalize, it returns the same word or same string except the first letter will be in uppercase. The next one is split. It divides the whole string. It divides the whole string and it has two parameters. One is separator and the second one is max split. Separator is basically the delimiter. The delimiter it is optional and we can mention some signs as a separator. Max split means it is also optional and it means uh, how a string may be divided into how many parts. Okay, so dear friends, it is the presentation regarding the strings, and now we will do it in practically. Here you can see I write here a word, hello Ankita. Hello Ankita. uh, you can see it a equal to hello, and then I mentioned a and it shows hello Ankita. In the same way, if we talk about the empty string, here you can see I mentioned here str equal to space, then print str. We can I'll show you again. It is the I mentioned here nothing and then I want to print this str. It shows nothing. All right, then we can see the multi-line string. Okay, here is multi-line string. I can mention here like you can see the output. Hello dear friends, hope all of you doing great. अब हम चलते हैं traversing of a string. All right, first of all I have to mention a string. I mentioned here s0. The variable s contains the string hello world where S0 mentioned, uh, 0 is index value mentioned, and in a 0 index value there is a word H, hence the output will be H. In the same way, if I write like this is L, in index number 3 there is a word L. In this way we can show the traversing. Now we come to the string operators. Let's see how we can first how we can concatenate the strings. The answer is hello India. I mentioned here the concatenate operator plus sign, and output will be hello India. The answer is hello India. Now come to the replicating the strings. मैंने लिखा है 3 replicating sign welcome, and it shows the output 3 times welcome. Now the membership operator. Answer is H in hello. I mentioned here H in hello, and the output is true because hello contains H. Now you can see here R in hello. The answer is false because the word hello does not contain the character R. If I write the same thing, R not in hello, what will be the output? Output will be true. Alright? Then we go towards comparison operator. As first of all we mentioned two strings. I mentioned here in string 1 hello and in string 2 Didi, like sister. And let's see, str1 is less than str2. What will be the output? The output will be false. Okay, because hello word contains 5 characters and Didi word contains only 4 characters. If I make it greater than then what will be the output? True, because hello str1 contains 5 characters and str2 contains 4 characters, and 5 characters is the greater than 4, hence the output is true. Now we will move towards string slicing. Okay, we will take a string like I mentioned here. This is the string hello everyone, let's study. String slicing. In string slicing we mentioned there are two parameters, start and means from start parameter it mentions from which index it is starting, and end means from on which stage it will be end. Here you can see uh, in str I mentioned a string hello everyone let's study, and the second one str2 is slicing the whole string str into two starting and 12 is the ending index. Then I print the original string which contains hello everyone let's study, and in this line str2 I mentioned str2 which are using the which are making the slice. Okay, and here is the output. Then dear friends, there are built-in functions like take a look of built-in functions. I mentioned here a string hello. Hope everyone know how many characters are there. Now I use this function. The answer is 5. Okay, it means the method len shows the length of the string. All right, then there is a function capitalize. Let's see. Hello, you can see in str I mentioned in all the characters in small letters HELLO. As I use the function capitalize, then the first character becomes in capital letter. Now we will use the split function. Here you can see in split function, I didn't mention any parameter like separator or max split. I didn't mention anything because it is already optional. Automatically it splits hello and everyone. Now we will use the now we will see using these functions. Okay, let's see. There is a string which contains in the variable str1 and the string is hello everyone, do study. Okay, then I applied the split function where separator is this colon and then max split is 3. Let's see what will be the output. Okay, so here is the output. Hello everyone, do study. Okay, hello everyone, do study. I'm making some changes. Let's see what is 0 1 2. You can see here I mentioned 2. Then you can see 0 1 2. मतलब there are three splits having the two indexes like 0 1 2. You can see hello everyone. The complete string was hello everyone, do study. And you can see here do and study comes in one segment. So dear friends, it's all about the string functions and string which I explained you through PPTs and uh, the software Jupyter. I'm working on it and I teach my students through the software Jupyter and hope all of you understand it and enjoy this session. Thank you very much.